Hey guys, I just got a new system, the Dell OptiPlex 3010, not 310, 3010, and I've done a few cosmetic upgrades, if you want to say that, really. But it's a nifty little system. Like, it's a Core i3. Trying to boot into the system diagnostics so I can show you what I've done. It's gonna start beeping at me. F5. Right, okay, so I've got installed these two new fans. There's one at one here. Ooh, ow. And one there. And I actually installed these because I needed airflow because I've got a NVS 300 down there that I gave it. It's going to start beeping now. What's going to do a system diagnostics test. But 4 gigs of RAM, quad core. That was a CD ROM check. Hard drive check. Yeah, it's checking everything. So while it does its testing, I might as well go across about the reason why I chose this case. Well, chose this PC. Okay, actually, you want to see these fans? It's gonna error out at me now. I don't know why it errors out at me on this part, even though it works as it should. Come on. You wanna error out? While you do your system diagnostic, you wanna error out? Yeah? No? Okay, that's fine. So two 120s, two 120mm fans that I've jerry-rigged in there, even though it's meant for a 90mm. NVS 300, Intel Core i3 3220, so it's a 3rd gen. It came with Windows 7, but I'm probably going to put XP on this, turn it into an XP machine because of the graphics card. Also, I'm going to let's explain how I got this thing. Okay, so I got this system when it was up. Okay. Okay then. The motherboard fan has failed to respond correctly. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. Yep. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But this has been in the loft for about 5 months. The motherboard was hanging off. The power supply was literally hitting this thing so much. I'm surprised this thing's not dead. Installed 2 upgraded hard drives because this thing actually had a very crap hard drive, like 120 gig hard drive. One 160 gig hard drive, which is its boot, and a 1 terabyte drive, which is its alternative storage. What else? This disk drive I've tested, it works. 4 gigs of RAM. There's really nothing much. I'm still upgrading this thing. This is actually my hardware tester system because I've just actually fixed my dad's old graphics card with this, and he's actually kind of happy. Yeah. Let's also talk about the old system. Let's head over there, shall we? Old. Yes, I know my room's a mess, but it's filled with PCs and that. The old Dell. Hold on a sec. Come out for me. There we go. I've literally stripped everything out of it. There's no need for it anymore. Like, I even took the heatsink off of that, which was, it's in its scrap bin. I'm gonna have to look through that scrap bin. This is a this is a 4-pin. Yeah, well, this is the old system that I've stripped out completely. Now it's like no use for me. I'm probably just gonna throw this thing out. And now I've got something that's better. Out with the old and in with the new, I guess. Look at that, ID and SATA. I've actually never seen this before. Wait. Free floppy. Oh, wait, no. This is for the... My bad. It's actually the thing, not free floppies. Yeah, there's X1. This PC... reason why I'm scrapping this, it didn't even work with the stuff I bought it for. So, I'm scrapping it. This thing is... we came out in 2006, that's 2013, but that can run XP. So, I'm just gonna... I don't know really, actually. I guess that's really it. I've got a new system now to replace this one, and it's much quicker. So, there's your update. Replacing the Dell Dimension 3100C with a OptiPlex 3010 that I have upgraded. Alright, see ya.